MCQ number 18. What type of adaptation involves restoring mangroves to protect coasts? A. Technological adaptation. B. Economic adaptation. Letter C. Ecosystem-based adaptation. Letter D. Industrial adaptation. Number 19. Which is a consequence of climate change on Philippine agriculture? Letter A. Consistent increase in rice harvest. Letter B. Higher pest and disease outbreaks. Letter C. Elimination of all weeds. Letter D. Guaranteed higher income for farmers. Number 20. Which statement best summarizes the impact of climate change on Philippine ecosystems? Letter A. It strengthens biodiversity and food supply. Letter B. It creates stable weather patterns year-round. Letter C. It disrupts ecosystems, threatening biodiversity and human livelihoods. Letter D. It eliminates the need for conservation programs. The answer key for our Quarter 3 Biology Lesson 10: The Impact of Climate Change on Philippine Ecosystems. Number 1. The correct answer is letter B, marine ecosystem. Number 2. The correct answer is letter A, Philippine eagle. Number 3. The correct answer is letter A, increase in sea temperature. Number 4. The correct answer is letter C, mangrove habitats. Number 5. The correct answer is letter B, mangroves. Number 6. The correct answer is letter C, agricultural crop production. Number 7. The correct answer is letter D, carbon dioxide. Number 8. The correct answer is letter C, climate variability. Number 9. The correct answer is letter A, providing drinking water. Number 10. The correct answer is letter A, rice. Number 11. The correct answer is letter B, rising sea levels and stronger storms. Number 12. The correct answer is letter B, forests. Number 13. The correct answer is letter A, fish migrate to cooler areas. Number 14. The correct answer is letter B, making it harder for corals and shellfish to form skeletons. And that is ocean acidification. Number 15. The correct answer is letter A, farmers and fisherfolk. Number 16. The correct answer is letter B, warmer sea surface temperatures. Number 17. The correct answer is letter B, forests. Number 18. The correct answer is letter C, ecosystem-based adaptation. Number 19. The correct answer is letter B, higher pest and disease outbreaks. Number 20. The correct answer is letter C. It disrupts ecosystems, threatening biodiversity and human livelihoods. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. Bye bye. See you in our next lesson.